This year, I achieved so much that I forgot that I've already achieved a lot of my childhood dreams. You know, a childhood dream is a simple thing. You want to be able to buy a pizza and eat it by yourself. You want to be able to stay up late at night and no one stop you, or stay up all night and no one stop you, god damn it. You want to be able to eat cereal at night or eat cereal anytime that you want. And I've done all these things except get the pizza because I think I'm matured, but I should go ahead and get this damn pizza because that's the inner child. You need to be able to reach your goal and like get there, you know what I mean? You mustn't expand the horizon so far that you can't reach it, you can't reach it, you can't reach it. You need to understand that if you sort of look down at your phone right now, that shit was your dream. In fact, it's beyond your dream because probably technology evolved as you were growing up, and what you have right now is more power than what you dreamed of. You must keep this in perspective because if you don't win at some point in life, how are you going to have satisfaction? I understand that a person must stay hungry in order to achieve more and more, but if you're so hungry that your whole life you're not satisfied, like realize that you lose happiness from hunger. So it's important to realize that you have won. Yeah? You have achieved some of your childhood goals, and you need to be happy about this because the goal of life is not goals. The goal of life is happiness.